Welcome to home screen, and if you have a problem like this, content not accessible, first thing is you must adjust your maturity setting. So in order for you to do that, just simply go to the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen. Now here a pop-up window will show up and select settings. Now here just simply go to the left side and select privacy and content restrictions, and from here you should be able to see content maturity on the very first one. And now here, as you can see, our maturity is minimal. So in order for you to adjust this, just simply go for the restricted. So guys, if you have an option over here, ask a parent, I have a video down link below in order for you to fix that issue. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more, guys. If you do, leave a like and please subscribe to my channel to support me out. Thanks for watching.